Good evening, friends. Today we are going to see how to form DOI for our article or chapters in books, journal, anything, whatever we want. So what we have to do? First, we have to open. We're going to provide the free DOI is what? Zenodo. So first, I will going to open this Zenodo site. You can see that, and after this opening, you can see that there is already the visible is what? Login and sign up. So for the new account, we have to sign up, and there is already option is available for the sign up with GitHub, and two accounts you can log in. Otherwise, you have to fill a new email already your email ID address, username and password. So what I am going to do? First, I will going to put email ID, username and password. So after filling details, you'll see that there's this will open, and you have to see your email ID. Whatever the email account you have opened, you can see that this mail will come. So this is already, the mail is already came to my account, and here you have to confirm your account. So through this already I am going to confirm my account, and it will going to redirect to the Zenodo page. So here you can see that already auto login is already done. So in this page, what we have to do, we have to go for to generate a new DOI, we have to click on upload. So once you will going to click upload, already two DOI I have created. So I'm going to show you again for new DOI. First, you have to click on the new upload. So see this already new upload I am going to click, and this is already this page will come. First, what you have to do, first you have to choose any file. So I am going to choose my file. This already there is in desktop. I am having one. So this is already chapter I am going to use zero tolerance on for child begging in India. This is my chapter already I have written, and I am going to start upload. So see this already. This uploading is already started. Once 100% will be done, then you can go for the next. You can see the tick mark already is there. So this next column is what? Community. So community, you will going to find there are several community. If you will not going to find any community is related to your, so you can go for the Zenodo. Otherwise, I will also teach you how to form or generate a new communities. So this is what we have to do. In the next step, you can see that what we have to fill the publication. The publication is what? This is my chapter in books. So I will go for the book selection page. DOI, this already for this are not generated. Publication date, we have to see which date is published. So I will go to see my this one, the book I have published. So this published book is published in the child rights is in 2017. So I will going to make this in again 2017. So I published in the July, it's 1st of July 2017. The title and authors, everything I'm going to fill. So you can see this. You can see that what I have done, and the title I have mentioned my name. There is no affiliation requirement. So Orchid ID I am having, but here I have not filled. Anyway, it's optional. So you have to see this is description. In the description, I have already uh, mentioned the abstract. There is no vision required. The language you have to choose English. So you will type ENG, automatically it will be English will come. So in the keyword separately you have to enter different keyword. Additional roads, already I am not having any additional road. You can see that already access site. So access site, you have to focus. This is open access, means everyone will going to access your DOI through the Zenodo website. License automatically by default this will going to select. So we have nothing to do with. There is no current, so just you have to cross this, and the rest you will see that there is already recommended optional option. So related alternative identifier, I am not having contributor. There is no contributor. There is reference, I am not want to enter. It will take so much time. This is not journal conference, but in the book report chapter I have mentioned the publisher and the place, ISBN, book, or everything detail. So it will be easy for any author, those who will going to, you have to always click on the save button, and then after you can see this publish button is already visible, and once it will be visible, this will be, once you can see that it will be DOI will be going to generate. So right now there is no DOI, but once I will going to publish it, you can see that it's already asking for my consent. I understand. So after that, the date, the topic, already the file will not going to change, but I can still edit. So you can see that already, that this DOI has already formed for my article. So what I have to do, I have to check this DOI is still valid or for my article. So I'm going to open and see this. I'm going to access, copy it, and DOI, there is one site DOI, you know, and this is through this already I'm going to check. So 394559, the same I have entered whatever the DOI is generated. You can see this already. I am going to click it, and you see this already. The same chapter already is coming here. You can see the book I have mentioned. So everything details is already available. So through this already you can format already, you can form your DOI, any whatever for your CV or article or journal, anything, and these are the time already requirement. So you have to pay free of cost. You can. So thank you so much, dear. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. I will going to again put the new video related to academic and the other also. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.